Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are facing an unpleasant scenario. Deleted files. Join me on this digital rescue mission. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file? Maybe you remove a folder by mistake, or a video and realize X was the wrong one, or perhaps you empty the recycle bin, only to discover later that it contained important documents, photos, or videos. Another common situation is when files suddenly disappear from a USB flash drive or SD card due to accidental deletion, formatting, or corruption. If any of these situations sound familiar, don't panic. In many cases, your data can still be recovered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted files using a professional data recovery solution, and walk you through the entire process step by step. Why data recovery is possible? When files are deleted, they usually aren't erased immediately from your storage device. Instead, the operating systems mark the storage space as available for new data. That means there's often a window of opportunity to recover your lost files before they are overwritten. The challenge is finding those files accurately and rebuilding them covertly, especially if they are fragmented or partially damaged. That's where professional recovery software becomes extremely valuable. For this demonstration, I'm using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. One thing I like about this software is that it allows users to recover up to 2 GB of data completely free, making it easy to test before deciding whether you need more advanced recovery. Another major advantage is its industry-leading recovery technology. EaseUS has introduced a breakthrough technology called SmartSector Rebuild, or SSR. This technology is designed to accurately locate, build, and recover fragmented files that other recovery tools may be struggle to restore successfully. After installing a launching EaseUS Recovery Wizard, you immediately see all available storage devices connected to your computer: internal hard drive, USB flash drive, SD card, external hard drive. Choose the location where your files were originally stored. For this example, I select this drive where my files were accidentally deleted. Just click on Search for Lost Data to start the process. The software immediately starts scanning the selected drive. Depending on the size of your drive, this process may take several minutes. One advantage here is that you can be viewing the files even while the scan is still running. For example, the folder where the videos were deleted. Also, you can use the built-in filter to narrow down the results. For example, you can filter by file type, modification data, the size of the files, or using the Updancer filter in order to locate the files that you are looking for. The scan is already complete. Let's go to Recover. Let me select the videos. I'm going to choose this one and this one. And now just simple click on Recover. Choose a different storage location from the original drive to avoid accidentally overwriting any possibility to recover data. Now, it's already restored on the second partition. Let's check out videos. And that's it. The videos are already successfully recovered and accessible again. Let's quickly summarize why EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard such a popular recovery solution. Simple select allocation, search for lost data, scan for the lost file, select the file that you want to recover, and just click on Recover. The entire process is beginner-friendly and requires no technical expertise. Download and try by yourself. To enjoy the industry-leading recovery success rate, EaseUS is recognized for its powerful scanning and recovery capabilities, helping users to recover deleted, formatted, lost, and corrupted files from various storage devices. With the SmartSector Rebuild, SSR technology is breakthrough technology that accurately find, rebuild, and recover fragmented files, delivering recovery results that are ahead of many traditional recovery approaches. Remember, recover up to 2 GB for free without paying, making it easy to evaluate the software before upgrading. Check the link in the description down below to start downloading EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for free. Many thanks to EaseUS to trust in time to videos, your channel. Start recovering your lost data now. And remember, see you on the next one.